Hi guys, I've been looking at lots of lovely sexy ladies out there having smaller waists. I've decided to say I think having a waist trainer would be a good idea. So I found this, and it's quality shapewear, and it gives you killer curves. So I think I'm going to be looking hot and sexy. So I found this website, ordered one, and was very happy because I've had quite a couple of waist trainers, and I don't know, they've had, you know, funny hookups where you're halfway doing this and you're trying to hook yourself up and you miss a hook and then you have to undo it all. But this I thought was amazing, as my friend says, amazeballs. So you have lovely little hooks just to make sure you keep in place, and just a couple of little hooks in there just to help hold everything together to make sure I get those sexy curves. And it has a lovely zip, so, and it's nice and rounded at the bottom, so that way when you're sitting down you're not having the funny cutting up at the bottom there and hurting yourself. We don't want that, do we, ladies? And the zip is so nice and easy to use. So and I like the fact that on the straps, can you see that? It's got adjustable straps. So that means you can adjust it to whatever size you want. So I'm looking forward to trying this on and wear it every day so that I have some lovely, sexy killer curves. So, oh, I said killer curves. Goodness, and it's called Killer Kurves. Dear, oh dear. So I'm going to unzip it, and I'm going to try it on. So as I said, it's got some lovely hooks in there to keep me together. So I'm looking forward to that. So here we go, ladies. Killer Kurves, here I come. Turn this lady loves into sexy loves. Now, because of course I didn't want to show you me putting it on, because otherwise you'd see my brassiere and everything, but look at this. Kapow! Lady loves, smoothened up, and at the same time, look at this, everything sucked in, and I've got lovely curvy waist. So just have a quick peek. This is what it looks like underneath. As I said, smooth, zipped up, and tucked in. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And just look at this. My waist looks smaller, everything's smoothed out. Unbelievable. I love it. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. I've got an hourglass figure. This is amazing. I mean, look at this. How small do I look? It looks like I just dropped 10 pounds. All due to my killer curves. Well, not my killer curves, but my waist trainer with killer curves. It's given me all the lovely dips. Now I'll be like, woohoo! Look at that. Love it. I'm going to wear it every day. And people are going to think I've been dieting, but no. It has just given me a different lease to life. Ladies, get yourself one of these. Honestly, it is life-changing. Give you those dangerous curves. So ladies, as you can see, I've got my killer curves from my Killer Kurves. There we go. I got it from there and there. And I'm going to show you my before and after pictures, but hello. This just tells you itself. Mwah! As you can see, ladies, big difference without. If you see the video of me with, woohoo, it's like, pardonkadam, hello. So, as you can see, the Killer Kurves waist trainer definitely smoothens this up here, and at the same time pulls everything in, because as you can see, doesn't give me much of a waist, but when I put it on, hello, here I come. Get one.